What's up guys? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to use the new Math Notes feature in the Calculator app in iOS 18. For the first time, iPad users get the native Calculator app in iPad OS 18, complete with exciting features that make it more than just a simple calculator. To begin, open the Calculator app on your iPad. Once inside, you'll notice that the calculator supports both portrait and landscape modes. To switch between these modes, tap on the small calculator menu icon at the lower left corner of the screen. While the majority are all accustomed to basic math functions like addition and subtraction, the scientific mode gives you access to advanced functions. This makes it perfect for more complex equations beyond basic arithmetic. One of the standout features is Math Notes. This is a new feature that allows you to write out math problems or notes directly within the app, which is a game changer for those who prefer handwriting over typing. The Apple Pencil works best here, allowing you to easily write complex equations, notes, or anything else math-related. However, if you don't have an Apple Pencil, your finger will work just fine too. You can write out problems and the app can solve them, or use them to assist in future calculations. It's an ideal tool for students and educators who need a more hands-on approach to learning math. The Calculator app in iPad OS 18 also introduces a converter feature, which goes beyond just currency conversions. While you can convert currency, which requires an internet connection to update rates periodically, you can also convert between units of measurement, such as the angle, area, data, energy, force, fuel, and length, just to name a few. This makes the Calculator app incredibly versatile, especially for those working in fields like engineering, architecture, or data science, where conversions are often necessary. With these new features, the Calculator app in iPad OS 18 becomes a powerful tool for both casual users and professionals alike. Whether you need to make quick calculations, take math notes, or convert units on the fly, this app has you covered. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.